Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use Textjoin in Excel with comma. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have address with a different column. So this address I'm going to add in one cell. Simply select the cell, use the is equal to, and use the Textjoin functions. Okay, then add here the delimiters. I use here the double quote. After the double quote I use here the comma. I want the every words after the every word I want to join the comma, okay, in full complete address. So therefore I use here in delimiters comma. Okay, again I use the double quote, use the comma, and ignore empty there are two options, true and false. True for ignore empty cell, false for include empty cell. So here I use first true. Okay, and use the comma, and after that select all the text those you want to join. So I select all the text range, and after that bracket closed and enter. Here you can see all the text is joined with comma. Okay, and here suppose I remove the one suppose I remove the state, one word state. You can see the empty cell is a totally ignored when the text is joined here by using the text join function. Okay, the empty cell is not shown here because I used here the true. True is for ignore empty cell. Therefore, this empty cell is ignored here when all other text to join. Okay, suppose I used here the false. Okay, and just enter. Now you can see the comma is added, one more comma added because it's include the empty cell. Okay, so therefore I used here the true to ignore empty cell. Okay, just enter and see here. Now I adjust it, and that's it. Just drag with this formula below the cell, and here you see the text join with comma. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.